Hello friends, today we will playing farm animals hide and seek. First we need Play-Doh and farm animals sticker to grab Play-Doh and then get a sticker and we will hide. Okay, let's hide it in the Play-Doh. Okay, this is done. Next, grab a Play-Doh and then circle, press and put a hole in the middle, and then let's hide the sticker animals. It's a big, don't tell, blue Play-Doh. Let's circle, 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 press in the middle. Let's hide the dog. Okay, there, done. And then next, a gray Play-Doh circle, and then press in the middle. Let's hide the horse. Let's hide it. And circle again. We're done. The gray one. Last circle again. Green Play-Doh. Let's press in the middle and hide the cow. Okay. We're all done. I hide all the 5 animals in the Play-Doh. Let's begin our game. Okay, we will play hide and seek. I hide all the animals inside the Play-Doh.
Oh, no.
Yeah, so you need to find and then tell us what animals is it. Okay, are you ready? So choose. What color do you want? We have black, brown, blue.
You have a black hair.
Yeah.
I have black hair
Gray.
too.
Green. Now, choose.
Green.
Green. Okay. You need to open and look for the sticker animals. The farm animals. No. Whoa, what's that?
Cow.
It's a cow. It's a cow sticker. So what's the cow say?
Moo, moo, moo.
Moo, moo. Good job. Okay, friends, you choose. Okay, what color do you want? Black, brown, blue, or gray?
Gray.
You say gray? Okay, I will open for you. Okay. Oh, what animals? It's a
Horsey.
horse. What's the sound of the horse?
Nay, nay, nay.
Neigh, neigh. Good job, friends. And next, your turn.
Okay, I will pick the blue one. I see
Wow.
yellow.
You see color yellow? Yeah.
Look, this.
What's that? What animal is that?
A dog?
It's a dog? No, it's a dog. So, what's the dog say? Woof, woof, woof,
Woof,
woof,
woof.
woof, woof. Good job, friend. We have 2 more left. So, you pick, okay? What do you want, brown or black? What again? You want brown? Okay, I'll open it. Oh.
Pig.
Oh, what's this?
A pig.
It's a pig. What's the pig say?
Oink.
Oink, oink. Yeah, last one. Elise will open it. Oh, who is he showing now? What's that? It's a...
Rooster.
Wow, what is that? It's
Rooster.
a rooster. A rooster. What's the sound of the rooster? Bop, bop. Bop, bop, bop. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, bop. The black Play-Doh has the rooster. Bop, 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 bop. And the brown Play-Doh has the pig. Oink, 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 oink. Blue Play-Doh have the dog.
What?
woof, 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 woof. And the gray Play-Doh is a horse. Neigh, neigh. And the green Play-Doh is a cow. Moo, moo, moo. Good job, friends. Thank you for playing with us. The farm animals hide and seek.
Bye.
Bye.